The desert can be an unforgiving place. After all, it is the place where life goes to die. The burning sun, the stinging sensation of sand whipping on the skin, and the lack of water are all factors to why human life does not maintain a constant presence in the desert. All deserts are large in scale and magnitude, each at least 2.6 kilometers squared. However, not all deserts can outsize the Saharan Desert. With the area size of 9,400,000 kilometers squared, this magnificent yet notorious desert is by far the largest desert in the whole world. 1/3 of all the land on the planet is desert, as there are larger arid regions in larger continents, as water from the sea cannot reach as far inland. Deserts also occur along the equator more, as it is hotter all year round there. Thus, 1/3 of the world is desert, owing to dry arid regions inland and warmer regions around the equator. The North and South Poles also count as deserts. However, there are still many other biomes other than desert biomes along the world, thus making the ratio of desert biomes to all other biomes 1:3. As hot as the Gobi Desert can get during the day, the colder it gets during the night. Hot during the day means the ozone layer or atmosphere is thinner there, thus allowing more sun to go through. This means the Gobi Desert can get as cold as -40 degrees Celsius during the night. In the colder seasons of the year, it is breeding time for many animals in the Gobi Desert. Take the example of Bactrian camels. They breed in the winter because the water in the snow provides water for the camels, as they chew the snow. This process of gathering water makes it easier to nourish camels when they are breeding. It also eases the process of providing water for the young when they are born. However, the freezing environment also poses dangers.
There are many categories for animal records, but when it comes to the most toughest animal, it has to be the camel. Surviving, and in some places thriving, in desert biomes, where life goes to die, this marvelous animal has somehow refused its fate, and has instead adapted itself to the toughest environment on Earth. Thus, camels cannot be outmatched in its toughness and durability. Cacti are the most common plant in the desert. They have thrived as they can hold the most liquid for a long time, while the desert around them slowly drain them of their supplies of water, making them shriveled and small in size. However, when the rain comes, the cactus's shape swells and bulges, absorbing the much needed rain like a sponge. They are also the main water supply for bats as they journey across the deserts to breeding sites. Moving on to the snowy deserts. Snowy deserts, as seen from the name, contain large amounts of snow. Instead of sand, there are tons upon tons of snow upon the desert surface. However, unlike snow in other regions, snowy desert snow does not melt, as the air around it's too cold, thus preserving the amount of snow needed to sustain and maintain the snowy desert biome. Winds also contribute to this. Winds in Antarctica can reach up to 50 miles per hour, blowing the sand to colder or hotter regions to make sure the snow does not constantly stay in one place.